Impressive renovations in this second-floor 2-bedroom 2-bath residence with lake and golf views. Luxurious white large tile flooring throughout entire home. All new interior doors. Enlarged kitchen boasts gray cabinetry, stainless appliances, case-hour stone countertop, lots of storage area and breakfast bar. Dining area has built-in hot bar area with wine cooler and bonus storage cabinets. Glass enclosed dining porch gives you full view of the lake and golf course. Master bedroom with glass doors to interior living area, large dual sink vanity with marble countertop, white tiled shower area with seamless glass enclosure, a glass door for privacy. Guest bath features large white tile shower, seamless glass enclosure, white vanity with marble countertop. Custom blinds. Must be seen to be appreciated. Mandatory membership. Quail Ridge is a private, member-owned